Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So in this video I will try to discuss some important topics, important questions which you have to cover in this subject, that is transducers and process instrumentation, which is an open elective subject for the students which are in the branch like mechanical, CS and EC. It is the EI subject actually. So it is subject code is 18EI 651 is the subject code for this subject. So my dear friends, I will try to discuss some important questions. Let me start now, so without any wasting a time. So my dear friends, in the module second you have to focus on the chapter 2, that is the part 2, in which you have to cover transducers, which is the simpler part as far as the first part is concerned, in which in the first part characteristics of instruments and measurement systems are there, like gauges, pressure gauges, a lot of precision, accuracy are the definitions were there, whichever is convenient for you people. I don't know which you have studied in your college or university. So I will try to prefer this, my dear friends, that is transducers, definition of transducers and classification of transducers, which is an important question as far as model 2 is concerned, based on the principle like primary transducers and secondary transducers, active and passive transducers, analog and digital transducers, and factors influencing the choice of transducers or instruments. And this is also an important part. Focus on this particular question over here: factors influencing the choice of transducers and classification of transducers, which is the most important part in this particular module, so that you can easily score 20 marks in this particular module over here. Then the module third comes up. In this also you have to focus on the part first, that is the chapter first of this module third, which is the transducers or instruments for measurement of displacement. For the measurement of displacement you have to cover the introductory part and the principles of transduction, which is an important part in this module, and variable resistance devices, LVDT, variable reluctance and variable capacitance transducer, and Hall effect devices, digital transducer. These are the simpler topics over here. You may already aware of the triple M subject, that is the mechanical measurements and metrology, which is probably in the fourth sem of the mechanical engineering. So these topics you have covered in that particular subject over there, so that you can easily focus on this much part, this first part in the module third. Then the module fourth comes up. In the module fourth you have to focus on the part second. There are also two chapters. You cannot cover the two chapters in the 2 days. It is very difficult for a student. So my dear friends, you have to cover the part second over here, that is the transducers, instruments for measurement of force. Previous one was the measurement of displacement over there. Now you have to focus on the measurement of force and torque over there. In this particular type you have to just cover the theory part, like force measuring sensor. It includes load cells, column type devices, proving ring, cantilever beam and press ductor, and hydraulic load cell also. In the torque part, and also this is electronic weighing system you have to cover over there. And for the torque measurement, this was the force and force measurement over there. Now torque measurement, there are four topics probably: absorption type and transmission type, stress type and deflection type. So this much is the content for the module 4, my dear friends. So just go through this theory part so that you will easily score. Then module 5th comes up. This module is very simple, as you have already come across that this mechanical measurements and metrology subject. These topics you have all covered in that particular part, that is transduction methods, potentiometric device, strain gauge transducer, variable reluctance, LVDT type, variable capacitance device. You have to only need to focus on the principle and working, no derivation. If there is some derivation you do in the, as far as syllabus is concerned of the VTU, so no need to derive the equation over there. Then force balance transducer with analysis, thin film pressure transducer, and piezoelectric pressure transducer, pressure multiplexer and pressure calibration. So this is the theory content which you have to cover in the module 5th, my dear friends. And also in the module 1st there is a vast syllabus in the particular module 1st, but you have covered this also in the MMM subject, that is triple M subject. That is the significance of measurement, which is the most important question in the module 1st. Methods of measurement, analog and digital modes of operation, functions and applications of measurement system. And also this is the most important, super important question in the module 1st, that is the elements of generalized measurement system, methods of correction for interfering and modifying inputs. So focus on this particular generalized measurement. It may carry 10 marks over there. And also significance of the measurement. Just go through the theory part, what is the measurement, like significance, functions, applications, so that you can easily score 20 marks also in this module 1st, my dear friends. So hope this much information is enough to pass this subject, to score this subject. So my dear friends, just share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.